Most people still walk through Walmart like it's 2010, waiting in long checkout lines while holding a full cart. But here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart Scan & Go can cut your shopping time in half, if you actually know how to use it correctly. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Walmart Scan & Go works in 2026, how to set it up, and how to use it step by step without mistakes, glitches, or payment issues. By the end, you'll be able to walk in, scan, pay, and walk out faster than most shoppers even reach the checkout line. Let's start simple. Walmart Scan & Go is a feature inside the Walmart app that lets you scan items as you shop using your phone. Then you pay directly in the app and skip traditional checkout. But here's the problem. Many users open the feature without setting it up properly, and that is where confusion starts. So first, download or open the Walmart app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have one, create it quickly using your email and phone number. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before you even start scanning items, you need to enable location and payment methods. Without this step, Scan & Go may not activate properly in the store. Go into Settings, turn on Location Access, and add your preferred payment method like a debit card, credit card, or Walmart Pay. Now let's move to the actual shopping process. When you enter the store, open the Walmart app and tap on Scan & Go. The camera will activate. This is your scanning tool. Now pick up any item you want. For example, let's say Alex is shopping for groceries. He picks up a bottle of juice, scans the barcode using his phone, and immediately sees the price added to his cart inside the app. Now here's the key part most people miss. You must scan every item as you place it in your physical cart. If you forget even one item, it will not be included in your digital total, and that can cause issues at exit verification. As you continue shopping, you will see your total updating in real time. This helps you control your budget while you shop, which is one of the biggest advantages of this system. But here's the problem. Some users experience scanning errors. If a barcode does not scan, adjust your lighting or hold the camera closer. In most cases, it is not the app, it is just camera positioning. Now when you are done shopping, go to the Checkout or Scan & Go exit area. Open your app and tap Checkout. The app will process your payment instantly using your saved method. Now here's where it gets interesting. In some Walmart locations, staff may do a quick receipt check. This is random and helps prevent scanning mistakes. Just show your app confirmation screen and you are good to go. Another important tip. Make sure your app is updated. In 2026, Walmart has improved Scan & Go performance, but older versions of the app may lag or freeze during checkout. So always keep it updated. Also avoid switching between apps while scanning. If your phone goes into background mode too often, the scanner may reset, and you could lose progress. To quickly summarize, open the Walmart app, enable location and payment, scan items as you shop, review your cart, and check out directly in the app. That's it. No long lines. No waiting. If you use it correctly, Scan & Go can turn a 30-minute shopping trip into a 10-minute run. And now you know exactly how to do it without confusion. If this helped, like the video, comment with your experience using Walmart Scan & Go, and subscribe for more simple guides like this.